Belling the Cat. Once upon a time, there lived many mice in a grocer's shop. They lived very happily, gobbling up all the grocery items.
Yummy! So tasty!
However, the shopkeeper wasn't happy. So, he decided to get a cat to deal with the nuisance.
Huh? Oh no!
In a few days, the cat ate a number of mice.
Oh, no.
This scared the other mice. They were not able to lead a happy life as before. Hence, the mice held an urgent meeting to find a solution to the cat menace.
We need to get rid of the cat.
The mice decided. But how? One mouse had a suggestion.
If somehow we could know when the cat comes towards us, we can hide somewhere to save ourselves.
Another clever mouse suggested.
What about a bell around the cat's neck?
Wow, that's a great idea!
Replied all the mice in unison. They praised the young mouse for his brilliance. However, one old mouse stood up and asked,
Wait. Before you cheer, think. Who is going to bell the cat?
All the mice remained silent. No one wanted to bell the cat.
Imaginary solutions never serve a purpose.